Let's talk a little bit about micromanagement. Just like you let kids be kids, let your puppy be a puppy. Let me also address the working puppy thing. I kind of mentioned that because they're working puppies, I don't mind if they're a little bit extra. That's not to say though that I let my working puppies hang off me and open me up and put holes in me all the time. And it's up to you to determine where that line is. A lot of people think that if they don't allow the pup to just chew on them all day, every day, the pup's somehow not going to be able to work. That's absolutely not true. That's a huge myth. If your puppy is not going to grow up into a dog that can do bite work because you didn't let him chew on you as a puppy, then you've got the wrong dog. He was never going to be any good anyways. Just being realistic. You see my corrections. I'm not overreacting. I'm sure there's going to be some heart clutchers that watch the video. Oh my God, I can't believe you did that. Right? And that's okay. That's with every video. You know, you've got the armchair experts that have never done anything that want to chime in, and that's okay. But the most important thing is everything is in moderation. I just want my dogs to understand there's consequences to certain behaviors. That's it. Start teaching the puppy a little bit, but not too much. Don't put too much on them. I hope this makes sense. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like, subscribe. If you agree, disagree, comment below. I don't particularly care one way or the other.